So my channel was demonetized without getting a copyright strike, without getting any request on copyright videos, and without getting any message from YouTube. So I just wake up one morning to see that you are no longer eligible to be monetized. And when I go into details to see reasons why I am no longer eligible to be monetized, YouTube tags as reused content. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you that if you're a YouTuber here and you don't want to get demonetized, avoid this mistake that I'm going to be talking about, especially if you are a commentary channels whereby you do reactions on people's video. You want to talk about Big Brother Naija, or you want to talk about this, or you want to talk about that, or you want to talk about here and there. When I actually saw this demonetization video and notice, I was like, and mind you, I have been on this YouTube street for over 3 years, and God. Anyways, the first reason why this channel was demonetized was because this person posts content that is complimentaries. Complimentaries like reading from a particular site or blog. Take for example, you go to all these legits whereby you see news there and then you're reading directly to the videos that you've already created. YouTube said they will not allow that. Secondly, using viral videos, putting them as a complimentary channel or reacting to them like Big Brother Naija channel. You guys already know that Big Brother Naija channel is a top-notch channel. So if you go to Big Brother Naija channel to go and get your content there, and at the end of the day they strike you, you are on your own. I already have my viewer telling me that YouTube has deleted his channel from the platform because of Big Brother Naija content. And I already have a lot of people complain to me that they've gotten strike here and there because of Big Brother Naija content. Just know that in as much as you are needing those videos for your videos to pop out there, YouTube don't want you to do that. YouTube wants you to do original content. And when I mean original content, you being you on YouTube. So even if you're giving commentaries, make sure you are not imputing any clips of commentaries. It is just better for you to just talk about the event and just talk about exactly what has happened. Because right now, the level YouTube is going, I think it even get to a point whereby if you see people faces on their channel, you are going to bring those, YouTube is going to bring those videos down. Just take, for example, you put my face on your thumbnail or on your videos as you're talking. So it is better for you to just do an illustration or talk about it. So I'm going to be sharing a channel, the particular channel in the comment section, okay? The lady that this thing actually happened to, and please, I want you guys to subscribe to her channel because I don't want to impute that video up here, okay? I want you guys to subscribe and I want you guys to learn from her story, because if you watch, you're going to be getting the full details of everything. So, and in as much as I'm putting it in the description, I'm going to also, in the description, I'm going to also make sure that you go directly to her channel to watch it and know exactly what you are doing. I tell a whole lot of people that if you don't want your channel to be demonetized on this YouTube street, you need to stay clear of so many things. And another thing I am going to be telling you is that check your copyright tags very well. Check your copyright tags on your YouTube studio very well. A lot of people can download your videos and also go and report you. I said it on my live stream where a lot of people were downloading my videos, and at the end of the day, they went ahead to report my channel. Like, why? They did it the first time. I thought it was just a thing of joke. And recently, they are doing it to the video I did on how you can get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. And immediately I noticed, I make sure that I told YouTube to drop all of that videos down. And I told YouTube to give them an instant strike after 7 days. If they did not delete the video, that means automatically YouTube will take down all of those videos. So if you are on this street and you want to create content and you want to successfully monetize and stay on this monetization, stay out of people's content. Stay out of people's viral videos. Commentary channels, beware. Reactors. If you want to react with your mouth. Say it, we will understand. If possible, just fix a picture here and there. Or if possible for me, just use your phone to like show the picture like this. Use your second phone to like show the picture like this when illustrating without attaching their pictures, so that people don't go ahead to start striking your videos. You know, a lot of people now are diving into content creating. And since they are diving into content creating, everybody now wants to own their properties. Run from using people's music if you're fond of using people's music. When I saw this lady's video, because I know that this lady has stayed on the YouTube partnership program. She even stayed with Amat for over 4 years. And at the end of the day, YouTube still come to demonetize the channel. So what was she doing right before and she's not doing now? So you need to be very, very careful. You that you're not even monetized at all, or you're planning to be monetized, or you're already monetized, and you're seeing this 1 or 2 things in your channel, go and re-strategize your channel. Go and remove, go and delete, go and extract. Because my greatest happiness and joy for you on this place is for you to be in the YouTube partnership program and don't get demonetized. So YouTube wants originality of content, because everybody is now a content creators. Those big TikTokers, they are now content creators. Big Facebook people, they are already creating content. So everybody now wants to make use of their content. So if you know what is good for you and you don't want to get any demonetization bill, or you don't want your videos to be flagged, or you don't want to get any strike, or you don't want your channel to be deleted, avoid all of these things that I've mentioned. Avoid all of these things that I've mentioned. Another thing is, avoid hateful speech. Avoid hateful speech when filming your videos. When filming your videos, avoid them, because once YouTube starts going into your channel and they notice 1 or 2 things there, they will begin to strike your videos, and before you know, they will demonetize your channel. And I always ask myself, what is the point of getting monetized and at the end of the day you are demonetized? In fact, it is even better for you not to be monetized than to be monetized on this YouTube streets and wake up one morning to see that, oh, you are no longer eligible to be monetized. Because you're going to be asking yourself, how do I now start building watch hour from scratch? Because if one video that you're having, have the 4,000 watch hour lies in the hand of that video, and that video is the video that is giving you reused content, and then you go ahead to delete that particular videos, automatically you have lost everything on this YouTube street. When I saw this lady's video, I said I must share it with my community, because I love you guys and I want you guys to be safe out there. This video might not be as long as my normal usual video, but this is a reminder to tell you that stay out of people's content, stay out of people's music, stay out and stay clear of anything that will actually bring your channel backward instead of moving forward. If you are not monetized yet on the street and you're using the short method to monetize your YouTube channel, after monetizing your YouTube channel using the short method, after getting your 1,000 subscribers using the short method, do well to delete all of those shorts out of your channel. Or if you don't want to delete them, private them. After all, they're not even doing anything for you. That's why I say just get the 1,000 subscribers and that is it. You don't need to have all of that hustle of getting 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 subscribers. They are not going to be doing anything for you on your channel. So I hope you go to Naija Content Guru, watch her videos, learn from her, subscribe to her channel, tell her you're coming from Vibe with Sonia. Tell her you are coming from Vibe with Sonia. That Vibe with Sonia talked about her demonetization channel. Even up till now that I am talking to you, after watching that video, I don't know if she's monetized now, but after watching that video, she said she is not yet monetized and she has to wait for another 3 months for them to come. Is it 1 month for them to come back and review her content? So I hope you watch and learn and stay clear of YouTube demonetization. Thank you so much for staying stick and hook me to the end of this video. If this video actually brings value for you, let me know in the comment section. If you are once demonetized, I also want to know in the comment section, and I want to know the reason why you were actually demonetized. And if you are looking forward to get monetized and you have all of this stuff, go and re-strategize and rebuild your channel very well, so that at the end of the day you will not have issues. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like always say in my videos, I'm going to be Simba and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Please be safe and don't get your channel demonetized.